Welcome back. We are still on the topic transformation and rigid motion. In the previous video, we learned how to reflect a point in the y-axis or the line x is equal to 0. In this video, we are going to learn how to reflect a point in the line x is equal to a. Reflection in the line x is equal to a. You can see that if we rearrange this equation x is equal to a, we are going to have x minus a is equal to 0. Because if you bring a to the left hand side, you have x minus a here, and this side will be 0. So line x is equal to a is also known as line x minus a is equal to 0. So reflection in the line x is equal to a can also be known as reflection in the line x minus a is equal to 0. Let's learn how to reflect a point in the line x is equal to a or the line x minus a is equal to 0. In the videos on straight lines, we learned that on a graph sheet like the one we have here, if we draw a vertical line through any of the points on the x-axis, so let's say we draw a vertical line through the point 2 like the one I have here, the equation of this line will be line x is equal to 2 because it is a vertical line through the point 2 on the x-axis. In the same way, if we draw a vertical line through the point minus 3 on the x-axis, the equation of this line will be line x is equal to minus 3. So if we draw a vertical line through the point minus 1 on the x-axis, the equation of that line will be x is equal to minus 1. If we draw a vertical line through 4 on the x-axis, the equation of that vertical line will be x is equal to 4. So this means that if we have our xy plane like the one we have here, and we have a point on the x-axis, let's call that point A, and we draw a vertical line through point A, the equation of this line will be line x is equal to a. So we have a point A on the x-axis and we draw a vertical line through it. The equation of this line will be line x is equal to a. As we have seen in the previous slide, this a can be a negative number, it can be a positive number, it can be a fraction, and it can also be a whole number. In the previous videos, we have learned how to reflect a point using the x-axis and the y-axis as our lines of reflection. We can also use this line x is equal to a, as our line of reflection. How do we use it to reflect a point in the xy plane? Let's learn more. If point A with coordinates xy is reflected in the line x is equal to a, which is also known as line x minus a is equal to 0, then a prime, which is the image of a, is given by a prime with coordinates 2a minus x and y. So if you have the point A with coordinates xy, and we use the line x is equal to a or line x minus a is equal to 0 as our line of reflection to reflect that point, then the image of point A, which is given by a prime, will have the coordinates 2a minus x as the x coordinate and y as the y coordinate. So this means that under a reflection in the line x is equal to a or line x minus a is equal to 0, the rule of the transformation is xy maps to 2a minus x as the x coordinate, then y as the y coordinate. So this means that to reflect a point in the line x is equal to a, you substitute the value of a into what we have here, and that will get you the rule for the transformation. Then you use that rule to transform the point. Let's solve some examples that will help you to understand this thing very clearly. Find the image of the following points when reflected in the lines indicated. So we have 3 points here and we have been given 3 different lines. So it means that we are going to find the image of the point A with coordinates 5, 1 when it is reflected in the line x equal to 3. And 2, we are going to find the image of the point B with coordinates 4, minus 5 when it is reflected in the line x plus 2 is equal to 0. And C, we are going to find the image of the point F with coordinates minus 2, minus 3 when it is reflected in the line x is equal to half. So let's begin with the first one. Finding the image of the point A with coordinates 5, 1 when it is reflected in the line x is equal to 3. So we are going to find the image of the point A with coordinates 5, 1 when it is reflected in the line x is equal to 3. We have learnt that under a reflection in the line x is equal to A, the rule for the transformation is xy maps to 2a minus x as the x coordinate, then y as the y coordinate. So to get the rule for the transformation, when we reflect a point in the line x is equal to 3, we have to substitute the value of a into this transformation. To get that value of a, we will compare the equation of the line given to us to x is equal to a. So we have line x is equal to a, and the equation of the line given to us is x is equal to 3. So if you compare x is equal to a to the equation of the line given to us, which is x is equal to 3, we can see that a is equal to 3. So to get the rule of the transformation, when we reflect a point in the line x is equal to 3, we will have to substitute the value of a, which is 3, into what we have here. So let's do that. When we substitute the value of a into this, we will have xy mapped to 2a means 2 times a, and we have seen that a is 3, so we have 2 times 3 minus x as the x coordinates, then we have y here. 2 times 3 will give us 6, so it means that this will become xy mapped to 6 minus x as the x coordinate, then y. So it means that when we reflect a point in the line x is equal to 3, the rule of the transformation is xy maps to 6 minus x as the x coordinate, then y as the y coordinate. Now we have the rule for the transformation when we reflect a point in the line x equal to 3. So we can use this rule to transform the point A with coordinates 5, 1. So point A with coordinates 5, 1 will give us the image of point A, which is A prime. And to get this image, we have seen that the rule is 6 minus x. X here is the x coordinate of the point A. The x coordinate of the point A is 5. So we have 6 minus 5 as the x coordinate. The y coordinate of the image is the same as the y coordinate of the point. So the y coordinate of the image will be 1, since the y coordinate of the point is also 1. Now this will give us A with coordinates 5, 1, which maps to A prime with coordinates 1, 1, because 6 minus 5 is 1, and the y coordinate here is 1. So point A with coordinates 5, 1, when we reflect it in the line x is equal to 3, it will give us the image A prime with coordinates 1, 1. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. We have 3 questions to solve, and we have solved the first one here. In the next video, we are going to solve the 2 remaining questions. Bye bye.